Alright guys, I'm going to show you why it's a good idea if you're tracking a car, even daily driving a car, that you should get an anti-gravity battery. Not only for weight savings, but just how good it is at doing its job. Today, I'm installing my ATX 20 HD 900 cold cranking amps. That's damn near what a semi uses. This battery weighs 3 pounds 11 ounces. This is the OEM battery that comes in a 95 to a 99 Dodge Neon. I've already weighed it with a scale, 30 pounds. It's a pig. So by doing this and installing this one, we're going to be saving between 26 and 27 pounds. So I'm going to start getting it ready, getting it together for you, and then we're going to install it in the car. With this anti-gravity battery, it also has a push button, so if you drain your battery down enough, you give it a little, you push this button here, you hold it down for about a second or two, and it gives it just a little bit of a bump to just get enough to start your car. But let's just hypothetically, you're completely drained out, you need to start it with something. I use the anti-gravity battery HD-20 heavy duty jump starter. So this jump starter also is made to do with lithium batteries like the with the ATX 20 HD. This also, I work in the semi-truck industry. This is started a Volvo VNL, so pretty tough stuff. All right, let's take it over to the car and install the battery. When you upgrade the battery, you're also going to have to get the anti-gravity battery universal mount and also the anti-gravity battery posts. Alright guys, the installing's complete. Mount fit perfectly. You just have to fabricate it however you want to do it to where you want to place this battery. Everything got snugged and tied in place. Now with the mount, it also has this opening here, so when we talked about pushing the button, it's right there for you to press. But make sure you charge the battery fully before you start it the first time to help with the deep cell and the start button that it has inside. I believe in anti-gravity so much that not only do I use it on my Time Attack Dodge Neon, I also use it on my street car Dodge Neon. I've been using it for about 2 years now, through spring, summer, fall, winter. When it was -20, no issues whatsoever. The battery did its job. I've actually had to press this button a couple times, but overall that's just for me leaving the door open. So go out and get yourself some anti-gravity batteries and you'll be very happy with the outcome.